Okay, welcome back to Fact to Bill. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. So it is fall and it's time to blow out the lines for the sprinkler system. And I decided I was going to make a video on how I do this because I am doing this with the absolute bare minimum, which is a very small pancake compressor that I have built a washer hose that I cut the end off, as you can see here. I have it plumbed into my sprinkler system setup here. Regulator on to just about 60 psi. This is my anti-vibration tool. Keeps the pancake compressor from walking all over the room. And then just from experience, I have found the pancake compressor operates a little better if it has a auxiliary cooling fan. So I've gone ahead and set up a cooling fan to kind of keep things moving along. All right, we're gonna go to the third zone. We started from the highest center and we're moving downwards. All right, so the sprinkler system is blown out now. And this is now, what year is this? 22, 23, 24. This is my fourth season that I've gone ahead and I've blown out the lines using this method. Obviously, pancake compressor is not the most convenient item to use, but the purpose of this video is to nonetheless demonstrate that you can blow out your lines with the most basic item, which is the pancake compressor. We're going to go outside now. I'm going to show you how I finish up doing the sprinkler system winterization, and we'll go from there. But my experience with blowing out these lines with this pancake compressor is that I like to personally, I start with the highest zone and then I drop to the lowest zone, and you can just kind of figure that out as time goes on how you do it. It doesn't necessarily matter if it's high or low, it's just these crack. And I'll crack this open. all done. All right, well, that's it. We blew the lines out, opened up everything that needs to be opened up, and we're ready for winter, and we'll see what happens next spring when I turn it back on.